Hello, and welcome to the Toyota Spring New Product Showcase. Thank you for joining us on Vimeo, Facebook, YouTube, or however you're accessing this broadcast. Like many companies around the world, we're getting back to business the safest way possible. Some of us are working from the office, while others remain working from home. As you can see, I'm here at our new beautiful headquarters in Plano, Texas. And a little later in this broadcast, we'll check in with Jack Hollis, who is working from home today. Wherever you are, we hope you'll take a much-deserved break and enjoy the show. Before we get started with some really exciting product news, our heartfelt thanks go out to all the medical professionals working on the front lines, risking their own health to help save the lives of others. And to those who have been working the essential jobs that are keeping our economy moving, we salute you. I'd also like to thank our dealers who are going to great lengths to provide much-needed services for our customers. There are countless stories of how Toyota dealers are supporting their local communities. Their actions are making a difference all over the country. And while things have been very tough recently, we are seeing positive signs emerging. The vast majority of our dealers across the country are open for business, and consumers are back shopping. And consumers are going to find some great new products waiting for them, either online or at their local Toyota dealers. So, all right, let's get to it. As you may have seen, just last week we introduced the Prius 2020 edition. Can you believe it's been 20 years since that funny-looking car arrived in America and forever changed this industry? As many of you know, Prius means to go before, and that's exactly what the Prius did. Since that first Prius rolled out of a showroom 20 years ago, Toyota has led the industry on electrification. In fact, we've sold over 15 million electrified vehicles worldwide. That's more than all other automakers combined. Today, we offer 9 electrified models across the Toyota lineup, ranging from hybrids to plug-in hybrids to hydrogen fuel cells. Well, 9 is a nice number, but I think we have room for another hybrid in the Toyota family. Now, as you may know, we're committed to offering electrified powertrains on 100% of our vehicle lineup worldwide and achieving 25% of our overall sales from electrified vehicles by 2025. And today, we're about to show you not just one, but 2 all-new vehicles that represent another major step towards reaching that goal. Ladies and gentlemen, from Toyota's headquarters in Plano, Texas, it is my pleasure to introduce the all-new, all-hybrid 2021 Toyota Sienna. This all-new 4th-generation Sienna takes style and versatility to a whole new level. Influenced by the bold character of SUVs, it delivers on design without compromising the convenience and utility of a van. And did I mention that Sienna will be 100% hybrid? When it arrives, it will offer class-leading manufactured estimated 33 combined MPG. So you and your family can spend less time at the pump and more time making memories. This model here behind me is the top-of-the-line Platinum grade. Sienna will also be offered in a well-equipped Limited grade and our Core XSE grade that puts a sporty slant on the traditional family hauler. I love these kick open and close sliding doors. I'm telling you, that combined with a 100% hybrid powertrain, this is a game changer. Safety is so important to us and a key purchase reason in the minivan segment that I'm proud to say that Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 and a blind spot monitor are standard on every grade. We'll even offer an available rear seat reminder feature for added peace of mind. And finally, all-wheel drive will be available on every grade of Sienna. Designed, engineered in California and Michigan, and assembled by our fantastic manufacturing team members in Princeton, Indiana, this all-new, all-hybrid, all-American 2021 Sienna will arrive in dealerships late this year. Okay, that's one new hybrid vehicle, but I promised you two. So let me throw it over to another all-American, my friend Jack Hollis, who is working from home today. He has something pretty special in his driveway. Jack, I hope you're not still in your pajamas. Take it away.
Hello, everyone, and thanks for joining us as we get back to, a new normal. Now, I don't know if unveiling an all-new model from my, house is getting back to a new normal, but let's see how this goes. I never thought I'd be able to have a world premiere of an all-new Toyota working from home. Maybe it's kind of cool. Now listen, while it might be kind of fun to be able to sleep in my own bed before a big product reveal, I gotta tell you, I miss seeing every one of you and being with all of you. I hope you're all doing well. Now, Bob, that Sienna, it's awesome. I love it. And I don't really want to outdo you or anything, but I got some pretty cool product news to share right now. So listen, at Toyota, we're always listening to our dealers and to our customers. Why? Because we want to study the ways to enhance our product lineup. And one thing is really, really clear, and that is there is room for a two-row CUV to be slotted directly between the adventurous RAV4 and the three-row Highlander. It's all about giving our customers choices to meet all their mobility needs. So ladies and gentlemen, from my driveway, I'm excited to introduce the all-new 2021 Toyota Venza. Venza's back, but make no mistake, this is an all-new take on the Venza. Developed by Chief Engineer Saiki, and Saiki-san is the one who brought you the Highlander and the RAV4. The 2021 Venza is built on our TNGA K platform. The new platform allows Venza to achieve stylish crossover proportions, intuitive driving performance, and an overall comfortable ride. As you can see, the new Venza looks like nothing else we have in our entire CUV lineup. The exterior is graceful in design and modern in detail. And every exterior shape is optimized for smooth airflow and aerodynamics. With its 100% hybrid, 100% all-wheel drive powertrain, Venza achieves unparalleled fuel economy with an estimated 40 combined mpg without sacrificing safety or performance. And with 219 horsepower, Venza offers smooth acceleration, stable and predictable handling, and all with a comfortable cabin. So what does that mean for our customers? Well, it means that when they get behind the wheel, they're gonna have the confidence to travel further and see more in comfort and style with a world of technology at their fingertips. And check this out. Now, I love that Stargaze panoramic roof. How cool is that? A first for Toyota, Stargaze uses electrochromatic glass technology that can switch instantly between transparent and frosted with just the touch of a button. Now, when frosted, the Stargaze brightens the interior, giving it an even more open and inviting feel. And when transparent, the glass still cuts nearly 100% of UV light. Now, as Bob mentioned, safety is paramount for Toyota. Like the new Sienna and every vehicle in our lineup, Venza comes standard with Safety Sense 2.0. And blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert is standard on all grades. The 2021 Venza will be available in LE, XLE, and limited grades, and will go on sale this summer. So, that's it for my driveway. Bob, why don't you take it home, so to speak?
Jack, this rear seat in Sienna is amazing. It's like a first-class airline seat. And the new Sienna, it has a vacuum and a real refrigerator. Here, have a cold beverage on me.
It's about time you threw me something good here. Oh man, I miss baseball. Put me in, coach.
Hollis, go hit the showers. You're done for the day. And with the addition of the all-new Sienna and the return of the reimagined Venza, we are taking 2 giant steps closer to 2 very important goals. Electrification across 100% of our lineup and hybrid models comprising 25% of our sales, all by 2025. These are not just goals. They're our commitment to leading the industry towards a more sustainable future. Thank you all for joining us today. We wish you good health and safety and look forward to seeing all of you back out on the road.